Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial series on version control. So I'm going to be talking about Git and GitHub, which are the most commonly used tools. So what is version control? Version control is maintaining different versions of the same file so that you can track your changes over time. Now version control systems simplify your task for this and help you track the changes. So Git is basically a version control system and helps you track changes to your local repositories and helps you revert those changes or merge two different branches and the very many different operations we're going to talk about in this series. GitHub basically is a cloud service provider where it helps you track your local repositories online. Now there are other providers such as GitLab and Bitbucket which help you track these changes online too. Be sure to check those out and I'll make sure to include a link in the description. The official website for Git is git-scm.com. Now Git was originally created by Linus Torvalds, who is the creator of the Linux operating system. It was made so that the many developers contributing to the Linux operating system can work easily and efficiently. So you can download Git by clicking the download section. So select your operating system, mine is Windows, and you can choose the different options according to your system's configuration. Since I've already installed, I'm not going to be installing it. So if you would like to know more, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.